Okay, good afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon, sir.
Today we are going to do the evaluation for all the topic that you will teach for the next week, especially
Yes.
for math, mathematics, science, computer, and English.
Okay, sir.
So we just start from math first. Math describe short name and three shapes. Okay, we can start from the first question.
Can you feel?
Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah, this one.
Look at the picture above. Ezra makes Thanksgiving card. He fold each card into equal. Each card has dotted line. Is the B line of symmetry?
Line of symmetry. Okay, next.
Look at the dotted line on the square. What kind of dotted line of symmetry is it? Is it vertical? C.
Okay,
Look at the picture. What kind of dotted line in symmetry is it? Is it horizontal?
is it horizontal?
Yeah.
Next.
Look what is the name of 3D shape on the picture. 3D shape is here, pyramid.
Pyramid, okay.
Look what do you call for this shape? This is cone shape. Cone.
Cone.
What do you think the tin of milk looks like? It's like cylinder, B.
Next.
A cuboid has here he put 8, C, 8, 12 vertices and see the answer.
C. 8 vertices and 12 edges.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
This 3D shape looks like bone. See. Look, what do you call for this shape? 3D. A. Sphere.
Sphere.
Yeah, sphere. How many curved surface does this 3D shape have? This only one. This is curve. Only one. See.
One curve shape. Next.
Draw a line of symmetry for each figure. Here, this draw line here. Symmetry is here, and then symmetry is here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Next.
Faces. This is two faces. Edges. It is. This is no edges. This is no vertex.
No, I think it's not correct. Miss. The faces, the edges, the vertices is already correct. There is no vertices in
The
the.
vertex is what? Vertex is correct.
Yeah, there is no vertices in the cylinder.
Oh, and
But
the
faces
edges.
and edges is not correct. They are not correct.
Edges and vertices is not correct.
The vertices is already correct, but faces and edges are not correct. Number
Are
one
not
and number
correct.
two are not correct.
This is not correct. And number 2.
Yeah. So how is it actually?
Cylinder. Oh, I'm sorry,
Okay,
sir.
it's okay.
It was, I've said
And
this. Yeah. Actually, how much is that?
sorry,
Actually, the answer?
for faces is actually three.
3 faces.
Two, two circle, the top and the bottom one, and one rectangle. Because this side, the vertical shape, actually, if we open it, it is from the rectangle.
Oh, this rectangle here. Huh?
Yeah. So the edges as well are two.
Edges
One
2.
and two.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, so the faces are three and the edges are two. Okay, so we go for the next
Oh, Jesus.
this one.
Cube is, it is, cube has six faces. 6 faces. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. 8 edges.
It's not 8.
6 also 6 here. 6 edges and 6 vertices.
Okay, Miss, I think you need to learn more about this because the answer is not correct actually. The faces is already correct, but the edges and vertices is not correct. The edges must be 12 and the vertices must be 8. So the point here is okay, it's okay, no need to fix this one. The point here is after this evaluation, you know which one that you need to learn more. So you can prepare well for the.
Because different with what I learned yesterday.
I mean, you have the LP, right? You have the LP, and this one, this is the homework that you will give to the students.
Yes, sir.
So, I mean, here you don't need to give the reason for me because this is your this is primary to homework. No matter, I don't really care who make it. Maybe Miss Susan make it for this week, but you have a responsibility to learn this one, right? Yeah.
Because we have different opinion on this. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
I know, but you have the same homework, right? This is
Yeah.
the homework that you will
Yeah.
give to the students. So it means you have responsibility to master this homework, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so we just go to next. We move to science now. Science. First question.
Science, what can
Yeah,
we
that
use
is
to
the
test?
revisor if you want. Yeah.
What can we use to test how hard the material is? Fork. Can say it's fork. Which material can be easily scratched? Can be easily scratch is soft material.
No, it's not soft material.
Hard material.
Scratch. So the point is you need to understand about the meaning of scratch, right? Something that you can pull. Something that you can pull and it will be back. Oh, sorry, I make a mistake here. Yeah, it's a soft material. Next, Miss. Continue. It's a soft
What
material.
happened when we add pebbles to the ruler? The ruler bends.
Okay, next.
Which property of material can we test by pressing in the water? This is flotation. Flotation.
Flotation, yeah.
What can we use to see? What can we use to see if material is see-through? A. Shine a light
Yeah.
on it.
Next.
A flexible material is easily is easily to bend.
Yeah.
Is
Next.
easily to bend. The plastic table tennis ball floats. The plastic here,
Yeah.
plastic. Paper is soft.
Yeah.
The fork can scratch the paper. We have to use equipment.
Next.
The ruler bend when we add more pebbles.
Yeah. The ruler bends when
When
we
we
add
add
more
more
pebbles.
pebbles. Yeah.
Okay. Next. We move to short answer question. This one.
How can we find out how flexible material is? How can we find how flexible? You just make a weight on the material. So if the material is bent, so we will see how we can see how hard the material. We just put weight on the material. Here.
Question number 1. How can we find out how flexible a material is? So you put.
You put weight on the materials. So it is if it is hard, so it will be bent.
Okay, correct. Next.
What happens if light pass through a material? If a light, if you put a shine of light on material, it is past the light, so it means that the material it can be see through.
Okay, next.
How can we test how hard material is? We can test how hard material is by scratch on it.
Yeah, next. Oh yeah.
Look, material is a teddy bear made of cotton. Why is glasses considered waterproof? Glasses is considered waterproof because it doesn't let the water through on it.
Okay, next we move to matematika. Oke, kita mulai dari pertanyaan pertama.
Ya. Bangun datar dan batas secara tersaja adalah C.
Okay, next.
Next, jumlah sisi pada bangun datar segi 5 adalah 5 buah. Bangun ruang yang hanya dibatasi oleh sisi lengkung saja adalah B, B dan C.
Number 3.
Satu aja ya jawaban. B.
Bangun ruang yang hanya dibatasi oleh sisi lengkung saja adalah bangun ruang yang hanya dibatasi oleh sisi. Oke, ini sepertinya jawabannya ada 2 harusnya ya, bagian B dan C.
B dan C.
Jadi tolong dikomunikasikan ke Susan supaya diperbaiki. Oke, number 4, nomor 4.
Perhatikan bangun ruang di samping, apa nama bangun ruang tersebut? Namanya kerucut.
Oke. Number 5.
Berikut ini adalah gambar bangun ruang kecuali C.
Okay.
Ini adalah bangun datar. Benda berikut adalah berbentuk balok adalah A. Berbentuk balok adalah A. Apa bentuk bangun ruang dari gambar di samping? Ini ada bentuk tabung. Contoh benda yang berbentuk kubus adalah A. Jumlah permukaan yang sama pada balok adalah 4. B.
Jumlah permukaan yang sama pada balok, permukaan yang sama. Oh no, miss, bukan jawabannya bukan 4.
Karena di answernya 4 sel.
Saya coba lihat ini, miss.
Ini kubus. Sebenarnya 6 yang saya ajari sama siswa.
Kenapa 6, miss?
Permukaan yang sama. Ini 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kan atas bawah, depan belakang.
Jumlah permukaan yang sama. Bentar. Jumlah permukaan yang sama. Pada balok ini bahkan soalnya sebenarnya sedikit membingungkan karena ini bukan balok.
Kayak kubus kan?
Ini kubus. Nah, kalau dia seperti ini mungkin ini bisa benar. Oke, jumlah permukaan yang sama pada balok adalah ini jawabannya bukan 6. Kalau jumlah permukaan yang sama, jika ada 6 jumlah permukaan yang sama itu adalah kubus. Karena kubus permukaannya sama semua, luasnya sama, ada 6 buah yang luasnya sama. Sedangkan kalau balok sendiri, dia jumlah permukaan yang sama itu ada 3. 3 pasang, depan belakang itu sama, kiri kanan itu sama, dan atas bawah itu sama. Maka dia terhitungnya 3. Sedangkan kalau kubus, jumlah permukaan yang sama itu ada 6. Karena dia sama semua, atas dengan kiri itu sama besarnya.
Jadi di answer ini jawabnya B.
Oke, jadi ada beberapa yang perlu diperbaiki di sini. Nanti langsung dikomunikasikan saja ke Miss Susan seperti nomor 3.
Iya.
Nanti juga kalau evaluasi akan saya sampaikan ke Miss Susan. Ini nomor 3 kurang tepat. Nomor 9 gambarnya tadi berbentuk kubus seperti ini.
Oh iya.
Dan answer key-nya juga kurang tepat.
Yes, sir.
Oke, nomor ini saya tebak. Oke, lanjut nomor 10.
10 gambar di samping. Perhatikan gambar yang berbentuk balok adalah C dan E. Ini C dan E.
C
berbentuk balok.
Oke, C dan E. Oke, ya. Okay, ini nggak perlu. Ini it's okay. So I have asked from the homework here, math, science, and matematika, berdasarkan karakteristik dari pengukuran. Now we just move to the book. I will open math primary 2. Okay, for this math, it will be taken from 97 until 93 until 97. So here, what page we are? 70. Okay, here 97 and 93 until 97.
So you don't this
Yeah, this one. Okay, find 2D and 3D shapes in objects. Actually, I have a question here. Because you talk about something that related to line symmetry, line
Yeah.
of symmetry. So can you explain about what is the concept of line of symmetry here? What is the meaning of line of symmetry?
the symmetry it means that the shape which is the same side. So each shape just like a butterfly has a symmetry on its fur. So a symmetry of on butterfly it is called because when you see this is like a mirror, it can same in both sides. So symmetry here means that the size of the side is exactly the same. So and then when we take also the shape after taking the symmetry line, so the shape is exactly the same. So just like this, we take this is a symmetry, and here this is a symmetry.
So, okay, I got it, what do you mean. So how do you explain this one to the students? I mean, just make it simple. Line of symmetry is, then you start to explain. What is the line of symmetry? If you want to explain to the students. Because they will, I believe they will ask this one later. Because this is the part of the question and yeah, line of symmetry. It's something that they have to know before they answer this question. So how do you explain this one to the students?
A dotted line. A symmetry is a dotted line of each shape.
A dot line?
A dot line of each shape. So it is to show that the after we take the dot line, there will be the same shape, symmetries, the same size and the same shape of each shape.
I don't really get it actually. So,
Just like a kite or a circle, there is we can take a symmetry there by you fold it, you fold in and you fold in, you will find a symmetry size, a symmetry there in from the circle. So it called dotted line or a center.
no, I mean here, if you want to explain to your students later, what would you say to the students so they can understand? Yeah.
Okay, it is a line of symmetries, a line of symmetries, a line of symmetries. This is to divide of each shape, and you find the same size after that.
Okay. So, in the square, how many line of symmetry?
In the square, how many?
Line of symmetry.
Square. Two.
Yeah. Okay. This is the things that this is the point that I want to ask you before. How do you explain to the students? Because this evaluation is prepare the teachers to
Yes, sir.
deliver the information, right? When you try to when you try to deliver the information, it must be followed by shape, actually,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. So you that's why I asked you how many line of symmetry in square, and actually the answer is not two. The answer is four.
4.
Yeah. When you draw, that's why I asked you how do you deliver this one to the students? You try to draw the symmetry. You try to draw the what did I say, square, and you will have, let's say this is the square, you will have that the line of symmetry of square is 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, okay, so it means here, I think you please try to learn again about this line of symmetry.
How about square, sir? Square, how many symmetries square?
Square is something that it's uncountable because if you put any line in the square just like this, and like this, all the line when it touch the center of the square, as long as it touch the center of the square, it will be count as a line of symmetry. So it's uncountable.
Uncountable, yeah.
The meaning of line symmetry is the line that you put in the shape that can divide the shape into two equal shape. So, like this, how if the students ask, how about if we put this line here, like this? Is it a line of symmetry? The answer is no, because the line of symmetry is the line that can divide the shape into two equal parts.
Okay, sir.
That's the simple concept of line of symmetry. Okay, yeah. Okay, we can go to the vocabularies now. So here we have the vocabularies. I will ask from science. We start from the first word. Float.
Float is the things that stay on the water. So for example, that a plastic toys is float on the water.
Flexibility.
Flexibility is how the material is flexible or easily to bend. For example, that a rubber, it is easily to bend. So it is flexible.
Transparency.
Transparency is you can see it through on it. Transparency also we can see that there is material made of glass is usually transparency because we can see another material, you can see another to get through on it.
Scratch mark.
Stretch marks is a line that we can see because of scratch.
Next.
When you scratch of something, you will see there's a mark of line because of scratching.
Okay, we move to math. We have face.
Face is the surface of a shape. For example, that a cube has 6 surfaces.
Uh, edges.
Edges is,
Yeah.
edges is the line where two side meet. Two side meet. So edges is where two-sided meet. There is a line where the sides meet. It is called edge.
Uh, rotate.
Rotate is rotate is to turn, to turn,
Turn.
to turn, to turn the shape, to turn the shape. For example, that if you want to rotate something in circle, just like a toys. When you rotate a toys, it will become into circle.
Symmetry.
Asymmetry is exactly the same or a shape which is the same the same size. So for example that a butterfly has symmetry on its fur, on its wings.
Okay. Yeah. I think that is all for our information today, Miss. Thank you.
Yes, sir.